Throughout history, time and dimensions, humanity has feared what it doesn't understand. These are the H-Men, a team of extraordinary heroes and villains, gifted with powers that make them guardians and challengers of existence. Much like the trials endured by the Hmong people, these H-mutants have faced discrimination and prejudice, yet they survive and thrive, standing as beacons of hope, challenging oppression, and fighting for justice wherever it may be needed. Now, let's meet some of these legendary figures. Sifu X, the Mind Master, our fearless leader. Sifu X can read and control minds. Hello Blau, the Metal Mage, once a friend, now a complex rival. Hello Blau commands metal in all forms. Cyclaw, with a mere glance, Cyclaw unleashes powerful energy blasts from his eyes, making him a human laser cannon in battle. Nung Hluathere, this fiery spirit has unmatched telepathic powers. When she taps into her fiery force, she becomes an unstoppable cosmic force. Doc Hang, a master of agility and intellect. Doc Hang, also known as Gia, has the strength and wisdom to tackle any challenge. Juazhal, the Stormbringer. Juazhal commands weather to protect and defend, summoning lightning, tornadoes, and rain as her weapon. Thurami, with the power to charge any object with explosive energy. Thurami adds a bit of flair and a lot of boom to the H-Men's ranks. Dekar, master of ice. Dekar creates paths of frozen brilliance to slide into battle, cooling things down when the heat is on. Grogu can absorb energy and lift the strength of her teammates with a superhuman touch. Jubilee, lighting up the night with her energy blast. Sparkle is always ready to dazzle, both on and off the battlefield. Thulaw Heng, with the ability to turn his body into organic steel. Thulaw Heng becomes an unstoppable powerhouse. Siaso, this psychic ninja has a mind sharper than her katana and the skills to match. Siaso's telekinetic weapons and combat moves make her an expert at stealth and strike. Angel, with graceful wings and the ability to heal others, Angel is both a warrior and a healer. Misty, a master shapeshifter. Misty can become anyone. Her disguise abilities make her an invaluable spy, able to slip in and out of danger with ease. Juka, he can teleport in bursts of smoke, vanishing and reappearing in the blink of an eye. Hluathere, with the ability to control fire. Thursday is all heat and attitude, bringing flames to any fight with a flash of his fiery grin. Ma Dao, the ultimate survivor, with super senses, claws, and a healing factor that keeps him going in even the fiercest battles. Viet, brother to Cyclaw. Viet can release explosive plasma blasts from his hands. Jatho, a primal powerhouse with sharp claws, animal senses, and immense strength. Jatho is ferocious and relentless. H-23, a clone of Ma Da. X-23 has the same healing ability and claws, though hers are two on each hand and one in each foot. Thul, Pool, with a healing factor, unmatched combat skills, and a love for mayhem. Thor Pool is the unpredictable member of the team. From ancient Asia, pre-China dynasty, to Southeast Asia, to the Americas, and even the furthest reaches of the cosmos, the Chronicles of the H-Men offers a glimpse into a world where Hmong heroes rise to defy the darkness. They inspire hope, forging a path toward a brighter tomorrow. Together, they are the H-Men heroes, villains, and everything in between. Be inspire amazing H-Men. Brought to you by the Hmong Multiverse